Good morning, students, and welcome to Ambuja Public School, Rabriyawas. And I am your maths teacher, Vinita Patel, ma'am. So let's welcome everyone to your maths class. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is Shapes. So let's have fun with shapes. So in this, today's topic is 3D shapes. Okay, so look everyone, we can call them three-dimensional shapes. Okay, we can also call them three-dimensional shapes. Okay, so let's see. A three-dimensional shape can be defined as a solid figure or an object that has three dimensions: length, width and height. So dear students, in three-dimensional shapes we can define them as a solid figure, and 2D shapes plane figures. Okay, so in this we will see three dimensions of these shapes: length, width and height. So let's see which shape is this. This is a cube. Okay, and we are able to see its different parts. Let's see, like corner, flat face and edge. Okay, corner, flat face and edge. Okay, a cube has 6 flat faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Its 6 flat faces are squares of the same size. Okay, it has 6 flat faces, 8 corners, okay, and 12 edges. These are the edges. Okay, so it has 12 edges as I shown you here. This is the edge, this is a flat face and this is the corner. So it has 8 corners like this. These are the corners, 8 corners and 12 edges. These all are the edges. So it has 12 edges. Okay everyone. And it's 6 flat faces. 1, 2, 3. I am able to see only 3 over here in this picture. But in practically we will see 6 flat faces. And these all are squares of same size. Okay. So let's move forward. Now these are the few examples: dice, gift box or many more things are cube in shape. Okay. Next one is cuboid. Okay. Next one is cuboid. Which shape is this? This is a cuboid. Let's see. It is also having a corner, flat face and edge. Okay. So corner, flat face and edge. Let's see. A cuboid has 6 flat faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Its 6 flat faces are not same in size. Its 6 flat faces are not same in size. Okay. Now, examples of cuboid: pencil box, mobile photo frame, cardboard box or shoe box, any other box of biscuit boxes or toothpaste boxes or medicines. Many more things are in cuboid shape. Okay. Now which shape is this? This is a cone. Okay. Now let's see the properties of cone. It is having a curved surface. Okay. This is a curved surface and flat face. At the bottom it is having a flat face, so it is having only one flat face and the surface is curved surface. Okay, so we can say that a cone had one flat face and one curved surface. Okay, a cone can roll. Yes, this girl said that a cone can roll. Okay, but a cube and a cuboid does not roll. Okay, examples of cone: birthday cap, ice cream cone. Yes, we are using ice cream. Yeah, eating ice cream cones. So ice cream cones also are shaped in of a cone. Birthday caps are also in a cone shape. Okay. cylinder. Yes, this is the shape of a cylinder. Okay. You all have observed a gas cylinder at your home. Yes. So the basically the shape of a cylinder is just like this. A cylinder has two flat faces. This one is the one. Yes, I am going to show it again. This one is the one flat face and another one is at the bottom. And one curved surface. Are you able to see this one? This one is a curved surface. Okay. Its flat faces are circles. When we observe the flat faces of a cylinder, we observe that they are circle in shape. Okay. So the flat faces of cylinder are circle in shape. These are flat faces, means it is having two flat faces and one curved surface. Okay everyone. So let's move forward. A cylinder can roll. Yes, very good. A cylinder can roll. A cone can also roll, but a cube and a cuboid does not roll. Let's see. Cylinder. Examples of cylinder. Yes, batteries, can, or an empty rolls of anything. Okay, or many more examples around us. Okay, so let's move towards the sphere. Sphere is basically circle. Okay, in 2D shapes we can say it a circle, but in 3 dimensional a sphere has no flat faces. It has a curved surface. Okay, no flat faces, only the curved surface. Okay, so sphere is having only a curved surface. Okay, and a sphere has no flat faces. A sphere can roll because it is basically a ball. So ball can easily roll. Yes. Examples of sphere. Yes. Are you able to see three types of balls here? These all are the examples of a sphere. There are many objects around us that have similar shapes to the solid shapes. Okay. Again I am repeating. There are many objects around us that have similar shapes to the solid shapes. Okay. So I hope you all understand the basic concepts of 3D shapes. So today's homework, write two examples of each solid shape. Okay. Today I have told you about 5 different 3D shapes. Okay. You all have learned 5 different 3D shapes. So write two examples of each solid shape. Okay. Thank you everyone, and I hope you all understand the simple concept of 3D shapes. Bye bye.